So today I will share how to make ink splatter travel poster design in Canva. So I have opened a canvas which is Instagram post 4:5 format. You can either open this one or you can open a custom format which is 1200 cross 1500 pixels, and you can use that also. So first I will go to element and here I will search for ink splatter. And I will go to graphics and click on see all and scroll down to find this one which says yellow ink splatter vector. Okay, and I will use this one and I will rotate it to 90 degrees, and after that I will just make it bigger. Make sure the main part is in the middle, okay, and the other splatter parts are just covering the areas. Okay, and after that I will change the color to black, from yellow to black. Okay, and after that here I will search for ribbon, and I will use a curved ribbon to be precise, and I will use this one, and let's make it bigger, and I will keep it here, and I will just adjust the size. Okay, now I will change the colors to white, all of them. Okay, so when this is done, now I will choose the image for to cover this ink splatter, and I will write here Indonesia, and I will go to photos now. So I will click on photos and see all, and let's use this image. Okay, and let's cover it. Okay, let's decrease the transparency so that I can work on it perfectly. Okay, so this is covered. Now I will click on Ctrl plus X to cut the image and click on the next page and use it here. Now I will just increase the transparency and click on edit and scroll all the way here in Magic Studio to Magic Expand and click on whole page and click on expand. So this one looks perfect. Click on done. Okay, and after that, just in this part I will just zoom it, and here in text I will use add a heading and write here Indonesia. Okay, and I will change the color of the text to black, and after that go to FX and use curve. Okay, just bring it here and decrease the curve. Just decrease the font size also. And now increase the font size. Let's make the ribbon bigger. So now this part is ready. Now download both the pages. Make sure both the pages are in PNG and let's download it. So when both the downloading is done, click on add page and just re-upload both the images. Okay, so both the images are uploaded here. Now I will go to apps and here write blend and click on blend image, and make sure the blend mode is in screen, and after that choose the bottom layer as this one, this ink splatter part, and for the top layer select this part. And now your design is ready. Let's use this one. And let's cover the whole of the canvas. And I hope you really like this design, and if you have any query, please do let me know in the comments. And if you like the design and want to know more designs like this, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get notifications when I post new tutorials in this channel. Thank you.